Hey, Mark Davis here, and I want to talk to you about a little modification that I do with a 1/4 ounce lipless bait. There's a 1/4 ounce red eye shad. That lure comes out of the package with 2 small, basically number 6 hooks. And most guys are going to take that lure out of the package, they're going to tie it on, they're going to go fish with it. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. It's going to catch fish for you. But if you're targeting, bigger fish, 3-pound fish on up, those little hooks, as we all know, lipless baits are notorious as, a lure that you're going to lose a lot of fish with. The modification I make, I take the rear treble off. And that is actually a size 3 round bend treble on the front. And I know it probably looks a little weird to you, but I'll tell you, I cannot stress how important it is, especially on bigger fish, when they bite that lure with that single large hook, how many more of them wind up in the boat and not jumping them off. That's just a really simple modification that you can make. And this is a little lure that I fish a lot, especially in the fall, even in the early spring. It's just going to put a lot more fish in the boat for you. You're going to land more fish. You're not going to get any more bites. But the bites you get, you're going to put more of them in the boat with that one big treble as opposed to 2 little ones.